Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is France orders Origin Robotics Blaze Interceptor drone system after DGA evaluation for counter-drone missions. France has ordered the Blaze autonomous interceptor drone system from Origin Robotics. The contract was confirmed during Eurosatory 2026 in Paris, after a competitive evaluation by the French Defense Procurement Agency. Origin Robotics, a Latvian autonomous weapons systems developer, announced the procurement with DSV, a French defense technology integrator. The company said the French armed forces will procure Blaze for counter-drone and force protection requirements. The DGA conducted rigorous testing across multiple suppliers over recent months. Origin Robotics said the evaluation assessed Blaze against French armed forces' operational requirements, including its performance in counter-drone operations and force protection scenarios. France becomes the latest nation to adopt Blaze after operational deployments in Latvia, Belgium, and Estonia. The French procurement marks the system's fourth European operator. France's selection of Blaze reflects the operational credibility the system has built through its deployments across Europe, said Agris Kippers, CEO and co-founder at Origin Robotics. We went through a demanding evaluation process, and we are proud that Blaze met every requirement the DGA set. Counter-drone capability has become a core requirement of modern warfare, and France is making the right investment at the right time. Under the agreement, DSV will supply Blaze units to the French armed forces. DSV will also establish local assembly and manufacturing capabilities in France, in partnership with Origin Robotics. The company said the initiative forms part of a broader technology transfer. It is intended to strengthen French industrial and technological sovereignty in the counter-drone domain, and develop a domestic supply chain under the Made in France label. Following a thorough evaluation process conducted by the DGA, we are pleased to confirm that Blaze has been selected to meet the French Armed Forces counter-drone requirements, said Eric de Tretaine, CEO and founder at DSV. This contract reflects both the operational capability of the system and the strength of our partnership with Origin Robotics. In the coming months, we will work together to establish local assembly and manufacturing of Blaze in France, building a sovereign industrial capability in a domain that is increasingly critical to national defense. Delivery of the first systems is scheduled to begin within weeks. Training is expected to start immediately. Origin Robotics and DSV will continue to develop their industrial partnership in the coming months. The work will focus on establishing local manufacturing capabilities in France. Blaze has NATO codification and is currently deployed operationally in Latvia, Belgium, and Estonia. Origin Robotics said several additional allied nations are currently procuring the system, with further announcements expected in due course. Blaze is a radar-guided autonomous interceptor drone system designed to counter fast-moving aerial threats. These include drones and loitering munitions. The system takes radar data directly and uses it to feed the onboard autopilot. This enables Blaze to fly autonomously towards the target before acquiring, tracking, and completing the intercept under operator supervision. Origin Robotics said Blaze is designed for NATO interoperability and built for operational deployment. The company described it as the first NATO-codified autonomous interceptor drone, equipped with a STANAG-compliant warhead module and available for immediate delivery. Latvia was the first European nation to order and take delivery of Blaze. Estonia and Belgium followed before the French selection. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.